this is Sarvesh. Welcome to my channel Sarvesh Tricks. So today I have an idea of making a rocket. Well, a rocket that flies a bit, but not like a real one though, but still fine. So let's hop into the video. Materials required to make the rocket are a plastic bottle. You can use an old one, it's okay. And this is vinegar, baking soda, any cork, and then a scissor and a tape, tissue paper, and 3 pencils. That's it. So first, to make the rocket, we need to take out the bottle cap and then check if this cork will fit the bottle cap. Okay, so it fits. It should not be too tight or too loose. So when I fix it, I'll not fix it fully because it will become too tight, and I'll not fix it in the edge because it will become too loose. So now I have fixed it in the mediums. I have fixed it not so hard, not so not so tight, not so loose. So you can just put the bottle up, it will come off. So like that it should be. And okay, it's fitting, so you can take it off. And now you have to take your 3 pencils and then align it over here in the bottle. So you have to keep it the place where we are gonna fit the cork. So I'm gonna fit the cork over here. So I will stick the pencils like this. So I'll stick 3 pencils like this and come back. Now I have stuck the tape around the bottle. So now it looks like a rocket, no? Leave the top part, but down part we have made a rocket stand. So just try if it stands or not. So it's standing right now, so it's good. Okay, so now what we have to do is pour some vinegar. I think it's enough, right? So now it's enough. I can close it and keep it aside. Now get your tissue paper, and I got a small spoon to put in your baking soda, and then so open it. And then just take a little bit of baking soda and keep it like this. Just a bit more. Yeah, I think this much baking soda is enough. So I'll keep this aside. Now I'm just gonna put it inside and slowly roll it. Yep, after I roll it, just do it like this. So close it. Now wait 1 second. It's just coming off. And so now it's not coming out, I guess. Yeah. Now it's not coming out. We are ready. Now let's go outside and launch the rocket. Now I have inserted the tissue paper inside and I have put the cork on top. So now I'm going to launch the rocket. I'm going to launch the rocket. So for that I'm going to do like that and then I'll just take it. Oh. You can make your own rocket and play with it. Hope you all enjoyed watching my video of making the rocket. If you like my video, please like and share. Please click on the subscribe button to get latest and click on the bell icon to get latest notification of my videos. Bye bye.